commercialization of petroleum products, and a vast marketing network consisting of 14 zonal offices in major cities and 133 regional offices, facilitated by supply and distribution infrastructure comprised.
உயர் வகை பெட்ரோலை சென்னையில் அறிமுகப்படுத்தும் இந்த விழாவிற்கு வருகை புரிந்துள்ள இந்துஸ்தான் பெட்ரோலியத்துடைய தலைமை பொது மேலாளர் திரு சந்தீப் மகேஸ்வரி அவர்களே, சென்னை மண்டல துணை பொது மேலாளர் திரு பாலாஜி அவர்களே, சென்னை மண்டல துணை மேலாளர் திரு ஸ்ரீதர் அவர்களே, முன்னாள் எம்பி அன்பிற்கினிய சகோதரர் பாலகங்கா அவர்களே, அன்பிற்கினிய திரு வேல்முருகன் அவர்களே, மற்றும் விழாவிற்கு வருகை புரிந்துள்ள HPCL நிறுவன விற்பனையாளர்களே, பத்திரிகை மற்றும் ஊடக நண்பர்களே, அனைவருக்கும் எனது முதற்கண் மாலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். கூடுதல் பாதுகாப்பை அளிக்கும் வகையில் இந்துஸ்தான் பெட்ரோலியம் நிறுவனம் பவர் 99 என்ற உயர் தர பெட்ரோலை அறிமுகப்படுத்தும் விழாவிற்கு கலந்து கொள்வதில் மகிழ்ச்சி கொள்கிறேன்.
171 to be precise as of last month. Coming to South Zone, Tamil Nadu, where we are operating from a zonal office in Chennai city, there are almost 6,000 petrol bunks of all the oil companies put together, private and government sector, in the state of Tamil Nadu. And HPCL has around 1,350 bunks approximately. So I can say that we are controlling almost 25% of the market share all over the country, and we are always caring for our valued customers. So this Power 99 has already been talked. This was the demand from the customers, from our valued feedback which we received from the customers, and we received numerous calls that this product is available across the countries, and why not Tamil Nadu to start with Chennai, and maybe in future we can go to Coimbatore, as Coimbatore has got a name carved out in the entire country for the racing cars. I remember when we were young, then also we have heard of people like Narayan Karthikeyan and all in the state of Tamil Nadu, and we are extremely glad and fortunate to have the Honorable Minister amongst us. And HPCL, I would also like to elaborate a little bit more, is a Maharatna company which is having two big refineries in Mumbai and Visakhapatnam. Apart from that, there are another two refineries in the joint venture. One is at Bathinda in Punjab with Mittals, and Mangalore refineries in Karnataka. So with these refineries, and we have got a network of spread all across the country, and the total number of retail outlets, petrol bunks, Shri A. Balganga, ex-MP, GM Finance, HPCL, Mr. Velmurugan, DGM Retail, Chennai Retail Region, Shri Balaji Anandan, the feisty and energetic team of Chennai RO, our very prestigious Chennai RO cream dealers who are present here, the esteemed customers, the dealers of automobile agencies, the CEOs, their functionaries, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. Vanakkam.
We are undergoing a lot of dynamics nowadays. What is the great dynamics is, we know that the rapid globalization is on. With the rapid globalization on, we have seen a lot of new vehicles and high-end vehicles in the road. Maybe down the year, some 5-6 years back, vehicles which you might not have seen or might not even dreamt about such vehicles are available in this road. So So it has become a customary practice and habit now to see when you go into Mount Road or any other road, particularly in some big cities like metros, we find a lot of high-end cars. So the high-end cars definitely require a high-end fuel. Why so? Because the fuel which we use in high-end cars should not auto-ignite. In fact, the term auto-ignite, I will brief it in the next slide. It should not auto-ignite. And apart from that, it should give the required power for combustion for these high-end cars. And very naturally, not only these characteristics of the fuel, it should be available in our town so that our customers can utilize those vehicles and feel the efficiency of those great fuels.